This tutorial review will show you how to recover deleted notes on iPhone. So if you accidentally deleted a note and now you want to recover the note, follow these easy steps. Open the Notes app and now let's delete this note. Now to recover the deleted notes, tap on these folders and here tap on recently deleted. And here you will get all of your deleted notes. And remember one thing, that notes are available here for 30 days. After that time, notes will be permanently deleted. This may take up to 40 days. So to recover any note, swipe to the left side and tap on this folder icon and select Notes. And as you can see, the note has been successfully recovered. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.